Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make character AI group chat. First of all, you have to access to the AI character mobile app on your device. Once you do, here you can see if you are using the web motion. You may need to revert to an older version. You may need to revert to an older version that support group chat. Now tap on this plus icon. Here I can invite the creation of a new chat. Now select create a group chat from these options presented. Tap on group chat. Now once you create it, set up a room, input a name for your group chat. Just click on pencil icon to name your group. You need at least one character to create a room, but two or more are required for interacting amongst characters. So let me just select here the first and second. And now you can search for more characters. Click on create group chat and that's it. Now group chat has been created. You can invite your friend or you can do anything here. For example, just write here hello, and usually these two characters should reply, just like how it's done in a group chat. And this is how you can do it easily.